Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Healthy Cookbook is probably one of the most valuable investments you can make for your well-being, offering a personalized and convenient guide to delicious, nutritious meals tailored to your specific dietary needs and preferences, empowering you to take control of your health journey one delicious recipe at a time, and making healthy eating a sustainable and enjoyable lifestyle choice. Number 5. Blue Zones Kitchen. This cookbook unlocks the secrets of the blue zones, regions where people live exceptionally long and healthy lives. It's your guide to delicious, life-extending recipes. It features 100 mouth-watering recipes inspired by the traditional diets of these remarkable communities. Each dish is designed to nourish your body and mind. It emphasizes simple, wholesome ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions. It's perfect for busy individuals who want to eat healthy without sacrificing time or flavor. Many recipes are plant-based or feature Mediterranean influences, known for their health benefits. It's a delicious way to incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats into your diet. This cookbook is more than just recipes, it's a journey to a healthier and longer life. Start cooking your way to a vibrant future today. What we like. It's filled with recipes inspired by the world's longest-lived people. If you are looking for delicious and nutritious meals to support a long and healthy life, this is the cookbook for you. This cookbook will help you adopt healthy eating habits that promote longevity and well-being. What people say. The recipes hail from the fabled blue zones, places like Sardinia, Okinawa, and Nicoya, where people somehow outsmart death while making meals that are surprisingly low on kale but high on flavor. It's filled with vibrant, plant-based dishes that make you realize beans are not just a side dish, they're the main event. The dishes are hearty, flavorful, and easy to make, very satisfying. They also give room for you to add your favorite veggies and spices if desired. The pictures are actually quite beautiful and the backstories for recipes and regions are intriguing. Number 4. Well-Plated Cookbook. Welcome to the Well-Plated Cookbook, your new go-to for fast, healthy recipes. It's filled with meals you'll actually want to eat, and that are easy to make. Short on time. It has plenty of quick recipes perfect for busy weeknights. These meals are designed to get dinner on the table without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. This cookbook prioritizes healthy ingredients and balanced meals. It helps you make nutritious choices without compromising taste. Discover a world of flavor with this collection of delicious recipes. Each dish is designed to be satisfying and enjoyable. The recipes are easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. Clear instructions and helpful tips make cooking a breeze. Many of these recipes are family favorites, perfect for sharing with loved ones. They're sure to become staples in your kitchen. What we like. It focuses on quick and healthy recipes perfect for busy weeknights. If you're short on time but don't want to compromise on nutrition, this cookbook is your solution. It makes healthy eating convenient and enjoyable, even on the busiest days. What people say. Erin Clark's The Well-Plated Cookbook features a range of classic recipes with a healthier approach. From chapters on breakfast and party food, to soups, sandwiches, salads, and desserts, Clark offers lessons on how to become a better cook while also making healthy choices like using more fruits and vegetables and swapping in more nutritious ingredients. Recipes I have made to the acclaim of my family include Caprese chicken skillet, Italian turkey sausage skillet with farro, greens, and bean, 5-ingredient maple Dijon salmon, chicken shawarma wraps, Grammy's green chili chicken enchiladas, autumn sheet pan sausages with apples and harvest vegetables. The photographs by Becky Harden enhance the attractiveness of the dishes and present a goal for your own food photos. Along with recipes, there are sections on helpful topics like ideas for use of a can of chickpeas, ways to use bolognese sauce, and many ways to make stuffed sweet potatoes. So many creative and healthful ideas. Number 3. Half-Baked Harvest Cookbook. Welcome to the world of effortless cooking. This cookbook is your key to delicious meals without the fuss. Discover a collection of recipes ready in minutes. It's perfect for busy weeknights when you need a meal fast. Prepare ahead with overnight recipes. Wake up to amazing flavors and aromas, ready to enjoy. Save time and eat healthy with meal prepped options. It simplifies your week and makes healthy eating easy. Indulge in comforting favorites made simple. These recipes offer familiar tastes with a modern twist. It offers more than 125 recipes, ensuring there's something for everyone and every occasion. The recipes are straightforward and easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. Anyone can create restaurant-quality dishes. What we like. This cookbook offers a wide variety of recipes perfect for meal prepping. If you value convenience and want to save time during the week, this is the ideal choice. It provides options for every meal, making healthy eating effortless. What people say. The name of this cookbook speaks for itself, super simple. The book is my go-to when I do not have much time, but I still want to cook at home. Love how this cookbook is divided in sections, breakfast or brunch, pasta, even a section for vegetarian dishes. Simple recipes that are delicious. The cookbook Half-Baked Harvest Super Simple delivers on its promise with over 125 recipes designed for instant, overnight, meal prepped, and easy comfort foods. It's a culinary treasure trove that simplifies home cooking without sacrificing flavor or creativity. Number 2. Skinnytaste Cookbook. This cookbook is your secret weapon for delicious, healthy meals. It's packed with recipes that are light on calories but big on flavor, so you can enjoy guilt-free eating. It's easy to eat healthy and delicious with this cookbook. You'll find tons of recipes that are surprisingly low in calories without sacrificing taste. Say goodbye to bland, boring healthy food. This cookbook is bursting with vibrant flavors and exciting recipes that will tantalize your taste buds. Even if you're a beginner in the kitchen, you'll find these recipes simple and straightforward to follow. Each recipe is clearly explained, step by step. It makes healthy eating a breeze. With this cookbook, you can create delicious, nutritious meals without spending hours in the kitchen. It's perfect for the whole family. You'll discover new recipes that everyone will love, from quick weeknight dinners to special occasion meals. Get ready to transform your meals and your health. Order your copy of the Skinnytaste Cookbook now and start cooking delicious, healthy food today. What we like. It's packed with light yet flavorful recipes that won't compromise on taste. If you are watching your calorie intake but still want satisfying meals, this is the perfect fit. It proves that healthy eating can be delicious and help you reach your weight goals. What people say. The photos are plentiful and throughout and professionally done with good lighting that makes you want to eat it. Beside each recipe there is a color and letter coding: V for vegetarian, GF for gluten-free, freezer-friendly, crockpot, etc. Each chapter's title page includes all the recipes in the section with a key to indicate vegetarian, gluten-free, quick 30 minutes or less meals, freezer-friendly, and slow cooker. Number 1. Skinnytaste Meal Prep. Are you tired of cooking every night? This cookbook offers healthy, make-ahead meals and freezer recipes to save you time and energy. It's filled with delicious recipes that are both nutritious and convenient. You'll find it simple to prepare meals in advance. No more last-minute dinner scrambles. This cookbook helps you plan ahead and enjoy tasty, healthy meals all week long. Prepare meals in advance and freeze them for those extra busy days. It's the perfect solution for quick and healthy meals. Say goodbye to mealtime stress. This cookbook is your secret weapon for effortless, healthy eating. It's packed with a variety of recipes to suit any taste and dietary needs. You'll find something you love in this cookbook. What we like. It's designed for those who want to simplify their lives with make-ahead and freezer meals. If you're looking for a way to streamline your cooking routine and always have healthy options on hand, this cookbook is for you. It will save you time and reduce stress in the kitchen. What people say. The book is filled with creative, healthy recipes that are both flavorful and easy to prepare. The meals are family-friendly, and I love how many of the recipes are customizable. Every recipe has nutritional facts, freezer-fridge duration, and reheating instructions. Finish photo of every recipe easy to keep track of your calories. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.